In this video, I will show you the new update to the time module. First, go to the time module and select the My Leave section at the top. Next, choose the type of leave you wish to request, specify the time you will be absent, and select the project associated with the leave if it is work-related. Once you complete these steps, you will see in frame to the left of your request that shows all the tasks and responsibilities scheduled for that period. This way, you can assess whether it's convenient to submit the request. By clicking on Request, your manager will also see the information and can redistribute responsibilities and tasks among the other project members to cover your absence.